Dear students, in this video we'll discuss about class 6 Collins English Grammar and Composition, chapter number 17, the future tense. Okay, so here identify the verbs in these sentences. So here first, I will watch a film on Sunday. So here the time expression is given on Sunday. That means the action will happen in future time. Okay, so here the structure of the tense here, subject, okay, plus shall or will plus V1. Okay, shall or will plus V1. So here I will watch a film on Sunday. Then next year she will finish reading this book next week. So here simple future. Shall or will plus V1. Okay. Then next they will have completed their syllabus by next month. Okay. So here the time expression is given by next month. Okay. So here they will have completed. So this is future perfect. Okay. So the structure of future perfect, subject plus will have plus V3. So here they will have completed their syllabus by next month. So these all are okay referring to the action which will happen in the future or will complete in the future. Clear? So here fill in the blanks with the correct options. So here tomorrow Iris okay dash all day will be sleeping all day. Okay, this is future progressive. Okay, shall will be plus V1 ing. Clear? The next year by the time we get there, Rohan will have left. Here this is future perfect. Okay, by the time we get there, Rohan will have left. Okay, the next year he dash them tomorrow at 8 p.m. for dinner. Will be, he will be meeting them tomorrow. This here future progressive will be used. Okay, the next year after I finish this essay I dash all my holiday homework. After okay I will have finished. Here future perfect will be appropriate. Okay, the next year don't visit me in the afternoon. I dash clothes. I will be washing clothes. Okay, here future progressive. Okay, don't visit me in the afternoon. Here we are talking about the action which will be progressing in the future. Okay, I will be washing okay in that time. The next year this time next month I dash on the beach. I will be playing. That means here future progressive. Okay, the next year he doesn't understand what he did wrong, but he does okay, but he will find out. Okay, but he will find out. So this is simple future. The next year my sister refused to help. I dash her for anything again. Okay, I will never ask. So here simple okay future. I will never ask. The next year if he keeps on eating like this, he dash all the food in a day. He will finish. Simple future. All the food in a day. The next year by 2021 I dash in this company for 5 years. I will have been working. This is future perfect progressive. Okay, by 2021 I will have been working. That means the action will be continuing in the future. By 2021 I will have been working in this company for 5 years. The future perfect progressive. Clear? Then next here fill in the blanks using the given verbs. So here the flight dash at 4:20 a.m. Okay, so here will leave. Okay, will leave. Simple future. The next year we dash the cake from the new bakery on Church Street. Okay, so here we are going to buy. Clear? So you have to use your okay second option. We are going to buy the cake from the new bakery on Church Street. The next year my grandmother believes okay it dash tomorrow. Here it will rain tomorrow. You have to use your simple future. Believes. Just take another example. I think it will rain tonight. So here similarly my grandmother believes it will okay rain tomorrow. Simple future. Then next here Next year I dash at this club for 10 years. That means I am talking about the future. Next year, okay? The next year, so here I will have been playing, okay, at this club for 10 years. So you have to use your future perfect progressive here. Okay, I will have been playing. Then next year, by the time you see this, I dash England. Okay, so here I will have reached. The future perfect will be used here. By the time you see this, I will have reached England. Clear? The next year I dash my best friend in summer. So here I am going to see. You know here the structure of the verb form. You know, be verb. Okay, plus going to. You know be verb means here is am are. Okay, is am are. So here by the time. So here I am going to. Okay, be you know be means is am are. I am going to see. Okay, I am going to see my best friend in summer. Clear? The next year I dash with you to the airport. Okay, so here I will come. Simple future will be used here. I will, okay, come with you to the airport. The next year in June next year, okay, you dash for 3 years. So you know we use since for maximum in cases you like present perfect progressive, past perfect progressive. Okay, similarly future perfect progressive. In June next year, okay, so here the answer you will, okay, first one will have been driving. In June next year you will have been driving for 3 years. So here future perfect progressive will be used. Okay, then next year you dash Tamanna at school tomorrow, won't you? So here will be seeing, okay, future progressive. You will be seeing Tamanna at school tomorrow. So here 9. Okay, the next year dash out for dinner tonight. Shall we go? You know this is one type of we can call suggestion or offer. Okay, shall we go out for dinner tonight? We have to use here. Okay, clear? Then next here, change these sentences from simple past tense to future tense. So, you know future means here you have to, this is you know the structure of simple past, and you have to change into simple future here. Okay, subject plus shall or will plus v1. Clear? So here the first question, I traveled to Myanmar to meet an old friend. So you know the sentence is written in simple past, just you have to change here the verb. Okay, so what will change here? Will. Okay, so here traveled will change into I will travel. Okay, so here the answer I will travel to Myanmar. Okay, I will travel. So here shall or will plus v1. Clear? Then next here, she disguised herself as a beggar and walked towards her sister. So you have to change here. Okay, you know disguised and also here walked. Okay, so here she will disguise herself. So you know here shall or will plus v1. Okay, will disguise herself as a beggar and will walk. Okay, so here the verb will also change. Then next here, after asking a passerby for direction, we found our way to the campsite. Okay, so here you know the verb is written in simple, okay, past. You have to change into simple future. After asking a passerby for direction, we will find. Okay, we will find. Clear? So here the answer. We will find. Clear? Then next question here. He took off his hat, bowed, and greeted her as if she were a queen. Okay, so you have to, you know, there are three main verbs: took off, bowed, and also greeted. So you have to change these verb into future. Okay, so here the answer. He will take off, shall or will, you know, shall or will plus v1. Then here simple present and here also simple present. Okay, so just take an example. I will go there. Okay, I will go there and meet her. Okay, so don't write here will meet her, because you know here the same person, I will go there and meet her. So here simple present will be used. Don't repeat the same. Okay, simple future, I will go there and will meet her. So there is no need, you can also use, but here simple present is most appropriate. Clear? So similarly here, you know here simple future, and here you know simple present and also simple present. You know here this is imagination, so there will be no changes. If see here, if conditional. Okay, then next here, we talked for, you know here simple past. Okay, we talked, we will talk. Okay, talked will change into will talk. So here, clear? Then next question here, I showed her my coin collection. You know here the verb also is in simple past. So here showed will change into will show. Okay. Then next year we exchanged phone numbers and promised to keep in touch. We will exchange. Okay. Here exchanged will change into will exchange. Okay. And promised, you know promised will change into promise. Clear? So here the answer, we will exchange, shall or will plus v1, here simple present. Okay, then next here, I took the coat from him and walked towards the door. Do you know here took is in, you know here simple past, so here took will change into will take. Okay, I will take the coat from him and walk. Okay, and walk towards the door. Clear? So here, I will take, here walk. Then next here, they spoke French well but couldn't understand a word of English. You know the sentence is referring to a past habit, you can say here. Couldn't understand. Okay, so you know here they spoke, they, you know you can also write here they will speak. Spoke can be changed here. Okay, will speak, and couldn't, you know can be changed into here cannot. Clear? Will speak and cannot, and you can also write they would speak French well but wouldn't understand a word of English. Here you can write they will speak French but cannot. Similarly, you can, they would speak but wouldn't understand a word of English. Clear? Then next question here, we put our books and other things on the table. So here put will change into, you know here put is written in simple past. Okay, you can also change into we will put, shall or will plus v1. Clear? Then next question here, rewrite the sentences in the future tense. Vinod and Vineet clean their rooms before dinner. You know here simple present, this will change into simple future tense. That means you have to change into will clean. Clean will change into will clean. Okay, so here the answer, will clean, shall or will plus v1. Then next here, the little children fed the horses and the cattle at the farm. So you know the verb is in simple past, fed. Okay, so here fed will change into will plus v1. Okay, feed. Clear? Then next, she was elated. Okay, but her sister was miserable. So you have to change into, you know it was written in passive past. Okay, passive form, and the tense, you know simple past. So you can write here she will be, okay, elated but her sister will be miserable. Okay, will be miserable. Don't write will. Okay, she will elated but her sister will be miserable. That will be wrong. Just take another example here. I was a teacher. Okay, I was a teacher. So, this is written in simple past. Okay, you have to change into future. Okay, so here was will change into I will be. I will be a teacher. Don't write I will a teacher. I will be a teacher. Okay, clear? Similarly, here the answer here. She will be delighted, but her sister will be miserable. Clear? Then next here, they were brave, even though they said they felt scared. All the verb in simple past. We are simple past, said simple past, felt also written in simple past. So here the answer. They will be brave, even though they say they will feel scared. Okay? Clear? You can also use will here, but here say will be more appropriate. Simple present. They will be brave, even though they say they will be scared. Okay? Then next question here. She competes in the Asian Games today. So here this is written in simple present. Okay? She will compete here. She will compete. Clear? Then next question here, the thieves leaped out of the car and ran into the bank. So here both verb written in simple past. Leaped, ran. Okay. So here the answer. Thieves will leap out. V1, shall or will plus V1 and here run. Okay. Then next question here. Sasmita was confused when she opened the door. Here simple past. Okay, both verbs. Sasmita will be confused when she will open the door. Clear? Then next, Thomas rode his bicycle to the stadium and forgot it there. Okay, simple past both. So here Thomas will. Okay, Thomas will ride here. Here shall will plus V1 and here forgot will change into forget. Clear? The next question here. The wind blows the newspaper away. The verb is written in simple present. Blows. Will blow. Okay. Then next question here. The blow to the forehead killed. Will kill. Will kill. So here killed will change into will kill. Clear? Then next here, fill in the blanks with the future perfect tense of the verbs given in the brackets. This is the structure of future perfect. Will have plus V3. Okay. So here the doctor will have left. Okay. You have to write here will have left. Just you have to follow this structure. The next, I dash in this house for 5 years in March. So live. I will have lived. Okay. Will have lived. The next question here, Prathis. Okay. Dash is project by March. Will have completed. Will have completed. Clear? The next question here, Mohan dash enough to rest and heal his body by evening. Okay, Mohan will have slept. Will have slept. Clear? The next question, I dash all the arrangements by 7 p.m. I will have done. I will have done. You have to use V3. That means the third form of the verb. The next question here, by tomorrow morning, he will have forgotten. Okay. Will have forgotten. Clear? The next question here, by the end of this year, Mrs. Jerome dash us for over 10 years. 10 years. Okay. Will have taught. Clear? Then next here, by 10 o'clock, everyone will have, Okay, everyone will have fallen. You know, fall, fell, fallen. V3. Okay, asleep. The next year at 8 a.m. tomorrow morning, they will have begun. Okay, they will have begun. Okay. The next question here, my brother and I dash our rooms by dinner. Clean. Will have cleaned. Okay. Then next year, let's write. Imagine it is the year 2117. What will your school be like? How does your classroom look? Write a short paragraph describing your school and classroom in 2117. Okay, you can use the following points. Students come in flying cars, electronic pens and pencils, computer operated classrooms, interactive study sessions, robots as teachers. Okay, so here this is the okay paragraph about your classroom in 2117. Clear? So I think this video will help you. If you find any doubt, you can comment in the comment box. Okay, thank you.